Welcome back to the 2-minute breakdown. Today we are talking about the electric spin scrubber. This is a cordless cleaning tool that has made my cleaning routine so much easier. And if you're like me and you dread scrubbing tough grime off the tile, tub, or any tricky surfaces, this just might save you some serious time and effort, so let's get into it. I wanted something that would take some of the hard work off my hands, and the idea of having a cordless scrubber with different brush heads sounded like exactly what I needed. What really got me interested was the adjustable handle. It's the perfect solution for those hard to reach spots and always feels impossible to clean properly. The spinning brush head works fast and does all the scrubbing for you. I tried it on my shower tiles and tub, and it cut through soap scum and grime way faster than scrubbing by hand. Even stubborn dirt that would normally take forever to clean came off in just a few passes, which made the whole process way less frustrating. The adjustable handle is a lifesaver. I didn't have to bend over or awkwardly stretch to reach the high corners of my shower. It made cleaning so much easier on my back. I've been using this electric scrubber for probably over a year now, and the battery life still amazes me. I've only had to charge it once since getting it in the past year. It comes with 8 different brush heads, and they are super handy. There's a small one to be used for grout and corners, and the large ones are perfect for bigger areas like the bathroom floor. It's also cordless and lightweight, which makes it really easy to move around. Whether I'm cleaning the bathroom, the kitchen, if you're like me and cleaning feels like a full body workout for you, the electric spin scrubber is a game changer. It's powerful, easy to use, and versatile enough for all kinds of cleaning. Honestly, I don't think I can go back to the old way. All right, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next 2-minute breakdown.